How'd it go?
Right when I thought I cleared one jump, I hit another.
Oh my goodness.
So I thought I missed that main jump, but then I hit another one right there.
Oh my goodness.
Nowhere.
All right, I'm ready. Get out of the way, get out of the way.
No, this way.
Here they come. Hey, how was that?
How is it? Good.
You want to go some more?
Yeah.
Again? All right. All right. Let's go.